Welcome to Cost First. In this video, we're going to show you our Quick Quotes feature. To get quick quotes on the dashboard, you'll see the Quick Quotes tab. Just click on that. Here is our Quick Quotes panel, where you enter a sales price, loan amount, and your state and county, or your zip code, if different from your defaulted county. Now just enter a sales price, let's say it's $300,000. For a loan amount, let's say it's $270,000, and it defaults your state and county. Once you enter that information, the quick quote brings up title and escrow. Most of the time, depending on your location, the information will provide the type of title policy and the split of escrow fee. In other cases, let's take Jasper County, Missouri, for example. Now, the Quick Quotes panel returns, in addition to the title, policy, and split of escrow, an owner and lender title service charge, as well as a closing protection letter charge. It just depends on the area. It works the same for refinance. Say the loan is $270,000, for example. Remember, you can enter the state and county or the zip code, whatever you prefer. In this case, the tool returns the title insurance and escrow fee. It's easy, it's simple, it's on desktop, it's on mobile, and it's fast and accurate, and a great way to get a quick title and escrow quote for that particular transaction you're working with. If you ever want to reach out to us directly, you can always click the Contact Us link and reach out to our support desk, 1-800-252-8692, or you can email us at support@costfirst.com. We're always here to help, and contact your title rep if need be. Thanks for watching this Cost First video.